Good evening, Officer Wright.
Good evening.
So you were investigating an accident on the night of April 19th, 2012, correct?
Yes, I was.
And you arrived at this scene at 10:40
Yes, that's true.
after only receiving a call at 10:30?
Yes.
Okay.
I was straight there.
At the scene you questioned two witnesses, correct?
That is true.
And Quinn Liu was not able to positively identify the driver, correct?
She was able to give us as much information as she had.
That didn't answer my question, Your Honor. The witness is being non-responsive.
Sustained.
Quinn Liu wasn't able to positively identify the driver, correct?
Yes.
And Dallas DeCamp was not able to positively identify the driver, was he?
No.
Following this, you arrived at the Vega house based on this information given by Quinn Liu at 11:05?
That is true.
And you checked the car first?
Yes, I did.
You spent time checking the heat of the engine, the scratches on the front, the way it was parked, correct?
I did have to observe the car, yes.
And then you knocked on the door.
That is true.
And then Tony DeLuca came out, correct?
From the side of the house, yes.
How long did you speak with Tony DeLuca?
For a matter of minutes, it was a fairly quick interview.
And Tony DeLuca told you that Adrian was driving, correct?
That is true.
You believed him at this first interest?
Well, in addition to other interviews from other witnesses, it would make sense.
Okay.
Yes.
And following this, you saw Adrian Vega approaching the house at around 11:25?
Yes.
And you interrogated Adrian Vega from 11:25 till 12:15?
Yes.
Objection, Your Honor, relevance.
What's relevance?
Your Honor, it goes to show the amount of time spent on the investigation and that it's disproportionate to the amount of time spent interviewing one witness.
Overruled. You may answer.
Can you please repeat the question?
You interviewed Adrian Vega from 11:25 till 12:15, correct?
Yes.
And from this, you arrested Adrian Vega?
Yes. She did confess to the crime.
Okay. What type of car is your police car?
It is a patrol car?
Okay. Does it have a cage?
Yes, it is.
Okay. And you put Adrian Vega in the back of this cage car?
Objection, Your Honor, relevance.
What's irrelevance?
Your Honor, it goes to show the environment in which Miss Adrian Vega was in when she made her supposed confession.
How is that relevant to our matter at hand?
It shows that she was nervous and she was in a hostile environment, perhaps forced to make this confession.
Didn't you just object to the people trying to bring in the fact that your client was nervous?
Yes, Your Honor.
And now you're trying to bring in that same statement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And secondly, didn't we already deny your motion regarding the Miranda issue?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Sustained.
So you questioned possible suspect Tony DeLuca for around 15 minutes, and you questioned another possible suspect for almost an hour in the back of your cage car?
Objection, Your Honor, asked and answered.
I'm going to sustain it on relevance grounds. So,
Okay.
move on.
No further questions.